Okay, when your manuscript is finished, the last thing that you want to do is make sure that you update your table of contents using update table, and only update the numbers in case you've made any changes. If you haven't made any changes and you want all of the headings in, then you can do update entire table. If you've made changes, just update the page numbers, otherwise you've got all that work to do again. And then save your file. So you now have a completed master manuscript. Now, if you've downloaded a print to PDF plugin, you may have something like this where you can export to PDF using that plugin from within Word, or you may click on the file and click on print and then select your PDF plugin as your printer and go to the printer properties and change your settings there. Another way of doing it is to click Save As, decide where you want to keep the file, and then use the Save As PDF options. You would want the standard publishing and online printing. Click on the options, check through them, make sure that you haven't got anything, you're not printing bookmarks, you don't want any of this other stuff. You don't want to do PDFA, you want PDFX, so make sure that that's not checked. Don't encrypt the documents with a password, and you want the bitmap text when fonts may not be embedded checked. And then you will name your manuscript and save. Or the other way you can do it is to click on Export, Create PDF, and it's exactly the same process. You still want the standard and it's the same options. So it's the same windows that come up whether you use Export or Save As. So click OK, click on Publish. As you can see, I've already exported mine for testing purposes. And then wait. Depending on the size of your manuscripts, this may take some time. So I'm going to pause the video here and I'll come back in a moment when it's done. Once your manuscript is created as a PDF, have a quick flick through it, make sure that everything looks okay. But more importantly, at this point, print it out and have a look at it in print. PDF is a wonderful thing and it does give you a lot of control, but occasionally it can throw you a curveball, and what you've got in Word isn't what you get in the PDF, and you really want to check that and make any changes that you need at this stage before you send the file to your printer, because once it's gone to the printer, it's done. And any mistakes that are still in the file at this point are going to be in your published book. So this is the point where you really need to take your time and check everything and change anything that you want to be changed. So do that, and congratulations, you now have a completed manuscript. Well done.